Hello everyone, my name is Xing Wei, and my topic is Civil Engineering Laboratory Safety Management in Select Public Universities. This is my personal data. Abstract. Many universities don't have complete civil engineering laboratory safety procedures, which makes the safety management of civil engineering laboratories without basic and cannot guarantee the safety of laboratories. Safety accidents should focus on the prevention and establishing good safety procedures is the key to preventing accidents. Therefore, it's necessary to identify the shortcomings of civil engineering laboratory management in public universities in Jiangsu province. Proposed improvements suggest sessions and establish a set of civil engineering laboratory safety procedures. Laboratory safety procedures can guide laboratory safety management. This study is useful in ensuring civil engineering laboratory safety. This study will employ qualitative method, which involves emerging questions and procedures. Data typically collected in participate setting. Data analysis inductively building from particular to general themes, and the researcher making interpretations of the meaning of the data. On the other hand, the ND model was used in the process as the research design. Description A challenge in implementing safety management in civil engineering laboratories. Scene 1. Occupational risks. Subscene 1. Electronical hazards. Subscene 2. Mechanical hazards. Subscene 3. Chemical hazards. Scene 2. Operational inefficiency. Subscene 1. Inadequate safety training. Subscene 2. Improper operation and equipment care. B. Causes of issues and responsibilities in creating and implementing safety manuals. Sim 1. Unrefined safety management. Sim 2 or Sim 1. Low level of safety awareness. Sim 2. Facilities and systems inadequacy. Sim 2. Stakeholder engagement in safety protocols. Sim 1. Participation of the administrators. Sim 2. Collaboration with experts. Sim 3. Involvement of faculty. C. Parameters of safety management. Sim 1. Precautions and risks. Sim 1. Electronical circuit and anti-static measures. Sim 2. Routine upkeep and servicing. Sim 3. Implement labeling and operating instruction. Sim 2. Laboratory safety practice. Sim 1. Laboratory management guidelines. Sim 2. Regular safety training and drills. D. Proactive measures by the university. Sim 1. Laboratory capacity building initiatives. Sim 1. Financial and technical support. Sim 2. Training program for laboratory managers. Sim 2. Culture of safety through education and systematic management. Sim 1. Laboratory safety education program. Sim 2. Systematic approach in safety management manual. E. Effectiveness in the laboratory safety manual in promoting a safe working environment. C. C. Integration of laboratory safety and system enhancement. Sim 1. Establishment of a safety culture, something to system improvements. F. Safety protocol aligned with the school of industry standards. Sim. Ensuring regulatory compliance. Subsim 1. Adhere to fire safety standards. Subsim 2. Harmonization with higher education standards. Subsim 3. Integration of construction standards. Conclusions. The deficiencies in safety management of civil engineering laboratories and their causes were analyzed through interviews, such as lack of safety awareness, lack of training of teachers and students, lack of safety equipment. Two, designed and developed the civil engineering laboratory safety management manual. The content is very rich, including a variety of security risks and solutions. Three, implemented and evaluated the civil engineering laboratory safety management manual and make further improvement. That's all. Thank you.